Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 using application. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and then at the bottom we have a button Find Earphones, and we need to click on it. And now we can play a song for your left or right earbuds. But don't use your earbuds when you play the sound. And let's say you wanna find your left earbud, you just click on it and then play. You can also add your right earbud, and now both of the earbuds playing sound. When you found it, just stop the sound, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!